ano.
Joke.
Tapos may pangimangot na rin ako, oh.
Uy, huwag na maingan.
Hello guys, this is Anne Explores and welcome to my YouTube channel. And today's video or episode will have a fast talk and we'll do also a mukbang with my lovely friends here. So please continue watching, and if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notifications. Keep on watching!
Wanna join fast talk? Bitin mo nga yan, Joy. Hi, guys.
Hi, guys!
This is Joy. May I enjoy myself? Introduce myself.
Hello! I'm Joy Machet.
Say hi, vlog.
Hi vlog! Hi vlog! Hi vlog! Kaya ngayon i-comment nga, ate naka-block, huwag mo silang pakialam. Kain ka lang.
Hindi mo nabasa.
Ngayon i-comment.
Wisdom na.
Sa ating naka-block, huwag mo lang pasinin. Kain ka.
Nakablock na naman ako pala. Mukha. Tapos yung naka-yellow, kain na. Enjoy mo yung lagi. We're gonna play a fast talk with the girls. So this will test our friendship and how do we know each other. Okay, let's start! Alright guys, the first contestant for our fast talk is Monique. I've known her like what, 6 to 7 years, I guess.
Yes,
But we'll see if I know her that much.
Timer starts now.
Monique, kung ulam ka, ano ka?
Adobo. Paborito ng lahat.
Okay, next, new car or new house?
New house.
Uy, sumilik ka ba?
Okay lang yun.
Ha?
New house, mas mahal.
Okay. Mas mahal? Gusto mo mas mahal? Okay. When was the last time you cried and why?
2 days ago, nanood ako ng drama.
Right. Big party or small gathering?
Big party or small gathering? Gathering, I guess.
Yeah. Okay. More time or more money?
More money, I can make time. I have money.
That's right. Live rewind or button or pause button?
Sorry, rewind.
Rewind button, live rewind
Live rewind
button,
button,
or
or
pause mo yung live mo ngayon. no post na.
Oh, okay. Give or take.
Would you like?
Give, babe.
Ang artist.
Give. Give. Okay, person who knows all your secrets.
Nobody, just me.
Kontra.
Si girl, galit sa girl.
Here, yaman or ganda?
You have 30 seconds left.
Why? Ganda? Ganda ka na.
Ganda. As soon as may ganda.
Yeah, she can use her ganda to make more money.
Okay.
In whatever. In whatever.
Right. Sexiest part of your body.
Walay.
No, I would say your face.
Wow.
Yeah.
Muni ka ba?
It's okay. I will make her. When this gets struggle, you can help, di ba?
Next one is the yellow
Right,
corner.
guys,
the next contestant of our fast talk is Joy Machel. Woo!
Ano na yan?
Alright, Joy.
Yeah. Okay?
Time starts
Yeah.
now. Bikini or sexy lingerie?
Sexy laundry. Sure.
Live longer or be wealthy?
Live longer.
Have world peace or stop world hunger? Oh, Miss Universe.
World peace.
Ooh, world peace. Ito.
Dali na. Tagal, uy.
Ito, tagihawat or balakubak?
Tawag-yawat na lang.
Okay. Ito, nose job or boob job?
Saan baka nose job? I have already
Okay, what are 3 things you cannot leave in the house?
Dating siya.
You cannot leave.
You cannot live outside. You cannot do
Yeah.
Without my phone.
Okay?
Key.
Key.
No coaching.
And shutting the door.
Okay.
Is it our turn for the question?
Not yet. No, what else?
First thing you
Maya,
do when you wake up.
no, it's a different number block.
Straight to the bathroom.
Okay.
Number block 2.
Okay. If you have 1 million pounds, what will you buy first?
1 million pounds.
Zoe, come here. No, I'm top.
Buy a house. Our next guest is
Our next guest, our next contestant is Jasmine Dumoy. Cheer, cheer, cheer. Right, Jasmine. If you could only eat one food for the rest of your life, what would it be?
Rice is Life.
Right, right. What is your investment in the future?
House.
Patay na kuko or ingron?
Ingron.
Ingron na mo.
Yeah, that is natatanggal. I don't like patay na kuko. Natamaan ako nun.
Sorry, my friend. Food that you cannot say no.
Pansit.
Gaano ka karupok?
Marupok. 1 to 5.
Ano siya?
I read 5.
5? Okay, marupok.
Naluan. Na brief.
Maliit or malaki?
Malaki.
Sunrise or sunset?
Sunrise. I'm a morning person.
Person you miss the most?
My daughter.
And last, sex or chocolate?
Chocolate. That was quick. Si ate, a minute and 10 seconds.
So guys, our next contestant for our fast talk is Marvick Lorimar. I think Marvick is my first friend.
Yeah.
That
Ako wala nagkukunin na. Special guest kasi ako.
special guest, the lady on the block. So if you make a comment, just make a comment on her.
Yeah.
Alright, Marvick, are you ready for your fast talk?
Yeah, I'm always ready.
Okay. Jasmine, timer starts now.
No, after you read the questions.
Okay. What is your biggest fear?
Death.
Death. Okay. Lots of money or lots of friends?
Oh, money, guys. Goodbye.
Forget. Bye, friends.
Forget the friends. Let's be practical.
Okay. Grocery shopping or shopping online?
Online.
Name 3 facts about yourself.
Oh no. Oh no. Skip. skip? I'll get back to that.
No, pwede mag-skip ka.
Uy, wala. Wala.
Pass or something? Pass?
Yeah.
What can you tolerate more? Bad breath or stinky armpit?
Stinky armpit. At least pwede mo siya paliguan. Diba?
What makes you laugh?
What makes me laugh?
Everything.
Everything, actually. Little silly things.
Alright. Which is one of the bad habit is the worst?
What? My bad habit na worse? I think sleeping late.
That's too bad, yeah.
Yeah.
Street food, fast food, or fine dining?
Street food.
Street food. True love or million
Oh,
pounds?
million pounds. I can buy love.
Mahal mo or mahal ka?
Mahal ako.
Woo! That's it!
Or three facts? No, what people? Have you three facts about me?
Oh yeah, what's your three
Have you three facts about me that you don't know?
Yeah? If you don't know what's your secret?
No. Naiihi ka, naiihi ka.
Oh, answer once.
Hindi mo
Time now?
Yes, when I sneeze, naiihi ako. When I sneeze ako, or pag sumahan tawa, naiihi ako. Or nagkasamot ako na kain. What? Hindi alam mo yun.
Turn, guys. And explorers, please don't forget to like and subscribe.
Timer starts now. What makes you hungry?
Hungry.
Health or wealth?
Health.
Favorite Bisaya word?
Buwang.
Facebook or YouTube?
YouTube.
Brains or heart?
Brains.
Ganda or talino?
Talino.
Breakfast or dinner?
Dinner.
Craziest thing you did for love?
Ooh, flight all the way to... I called Victor my love through long distance. Wow.
Yeah.
Cost me money.
Yeah. Ultimate comfort food?
Spaghetti.
Why do birds suddenly appear? Why do
That's a song.
Yeah.
Close to you.
Yeah. My bonus point. Okay? Lights on, lights off.
Lights off.
Oh. Now, sex or chocolate? Yes. Oh. First thing you do when you wake up.
Phone.
Thank you guys. That's all. 40 seconds left. Yeah. Please share, like, or subscribe.